Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, all of you. Only four students are appear. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six students. Very poor attendance. Class 8, very poor attendance. Okay. So students, today I will discuss, today I'm discussing the long questions. You have seen that long question answer from trade to territory history. So this is our last discussion from the chapter 2 history. Okay. Uh, so long question will come in your midterm exam, but marks distribution we will inform you. Okay, that means what is the blueprint? We will inform you. Hopefully, coming week or the coming week we will inform you. Okay, chapters you all know. Two chapters from history. Whatever already we have revised twice or thrice time. Two chapters from the civics and two chapters from the geography. Total 6 chapters will come in your uh, midterm exam syllabus. Okay. So as per that, you start to prepare yourself. Okay. Ma'am, when you will take the Google Meet class or Google Meet class? Okay, Monday I will take. Okay, yes, about Google Meet class, I'm telling you that today is Friday. So students actually Google Meet class provide us for the discussion means any doubt you have with your any question or any chapter. So actually that is the doubt clearance class. Okay, so you have any question, any queries, so you ask in that class, live Google Meet class. Okay, and for that what you will do today, you must be note down the questions, what from which questions you have some doubts or you need the more explanation from me. So from two chapters from history and two chapters from civics, you must be noted down in your copy or in a page. Okay, and after then you must be sent in my personal number. You will write, ma'am, this is the questions of this is the confusing questions or this is the doubt type of questions. So that questions only I will discuss Monday Google Meet class. Okay, because at that time, if you ask any question or any type of a doubt you have in that time, so it will take some time to discussion. That's why if you prepare that what are the questions you have doubt, so you note it down and send me in my personal WhatsApp number. After that, Monday we will discuss on those questions. What, ma'am? Which chapter is coming in civics? Whatever we have already completed, that chapter will come. Chapter number three. That is chapter number 1 and chapter number 3. The Indian Constitution and why do we need a parliament? These two chapters will come from the civics, from trade to territory, and when people rebel, these two chapters will come from the history. Okay, clear? Okay, now first question. Note down this question. What common problems did the different companies face while trading with the East? With this question, another question is, why did it become difficult for the company to separate trade from politics? politics? Okay, so note down this question. Then I tell the answer. What common problems did the different companies face while trading with the East? Why did it become difficult for the company to separate trade from politics? Question written? Yes or no? Answer is little bit wrong. Okay. So listen first and then write the answer. First you tell me question complete. Yes, ma'am. Okay, start to write the answer. The main problem of the companies, okay, stop. Now, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, stop. Write the answer. The main problem of the companies which were which were doing trade with the which were doing trade with the east east was that all the companies were was that all the companies were interested in buying buying interested in buying the same things the same things full stop. Cotton and silk. Okay, students, you do one thing. um where the main problem of companies which were doing trade with the east was, okay, after east was, you must be right number one, that is the point. Okay, so this is the first point. From that all the companies you may be in pointing in this way, or you write number 1 point. Okay, so that all the companies were interested in buying the same things, full stop. Cotton and silk produced, this is point number 1, first point. Cotton and silk produced in India had a big market, had a big market in Europe, had a big market in Europe, comma, also products like pepper, 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 comma, cloves, 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 comma, cardamom, 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 and cinnamon, 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 were in great demand, were in great demand. Full stop. Next point number 2, second point. Competition amongst the amongst the European companies, amongst the European companies, pushed up the prices. Companies pushed up the prices. PUSHED, pushed up the prices at which these, THESE, at which these goods could be, goods could be purchased. PURCHASED, purchased. And this reduced, THIS, this reduced, REDUCED, this reduced the profit, the profit, the profits, PROFITS, profits that could be earned, 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 full stop. Full stop. Trade companies, same point, in same point, okay. Trade companies needed to trade companies needed to the first point start from the that all the companies were interested, okay, that all the companies were interested, from that first point is started. Okay, so trade companies needed to eliminate, ELIMINATE, eliminate the rival companies, the rival, RIVL, the rival companies. Next point number 3. Next point number 3. Through the, THROUGH, through the 17th and 18th. Okay. 17th, you write in this way. 17th and 18th. Okay. 17th and 18th centuries. Through the 17th and 18th centuries, they regularly sank, SANK, sank each other's each other's sank each other's ships, SHIPS, ships. Okay, sank each other's ships, SHIPS, comma, blocked routes, BLOCKED, blocked routes, 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 blocked routes, and prevented Rival ships, rival ships, ships, ships from moving with, moving with supplies of goods, moving with supplies, supplies, supplies of goods, full stop. Last point, number 4, next and last point. Trade was, trade was carried on, trade was carried on with arms and, with arms, ARMS, arms and trading posts, trading, TRADING, trading posts, POSTS, posts were protected, were protected through fortification, through THROUGH, through fortification, 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 full stop. The company, the company, therefore, the company therefore found it difficult, found it difficult to separate trade from politics, to separate trade from politics. Okay, answer is complete. If anyone miss any line or any words, you must be watch the video later and then note down, okay, because this is long question answer and it's not possible once again repeat the full answer, okay. So you must be watch it later. Now question number 2. How did East India Company begin trade in Bengal? How did East India Company begin trade in Bengal? This is the question. Note down. I think today also not possible to discussion the all the long questions. There are total 7 long questions, but I think today is not possible. Only 3 or 4 I may discuss. Okay, now write down the how did East India Company begin trade in Bengal. Okay, now start to write the answer. The East India Company, the East India Company set up, the East India Company set up its first factory, set up its first factory on the banks of the river Hooghly, banks of the river Hooghly in 1651. In 1651. Full stop. This was the, this was the this was the base from, BAC, base from which the companies, which the companies traders, 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 comma, known at that time, known, KNOWN, known at that time as factors, as factors. Factors. Okay. In this way, factors, and you put it in single inverted comma, not double, single inverted comma. Factors, comma, operated, 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 full stop. The company had offices, the company had offices where the officials, OFFICIALS, officials sat, and it also had, it also had warehouses, warehouses, HOUSES, warehouses, where, where goods were, where goods were, where goods were stored for export, stored, STORED, stored for export, 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 full stop. By, by 1696, 1696, comma, the company began building a fort, BUILDING, building a fort, FORT, a fort around the settlement, full stop. After 2 years, TWO, after 2 years, comma, the company gained, GAINED, gained zamindari, ZAMINDARI, zamindari rights, RIGHTS, zamindari rights over 3 villages, over 3, over 3 villages, full stop, answer completed. Okay. Now the next question number 3. Only up to 3. Today I have discussed. Okay. How did the rule of the East India Company expand? How did the rule of the East India Company expand? Write down the answer. The company appointed residents, residents, residents in Indian states, comma, after winning the WINNING, after winning the Battle of Boxer, battle, B capital, BATTLE, Battle of Boxer, B capital once again, BUXAR, Battle of Boxer in 1764, 1764, in 1764, full stop. The job of these THESE, these Residents, residents, residents was was to serve, serve and further, further, and further the the interests of the company. The job of these residents was to serve and further the interests of the company as they were, as they were, they were political, political and commercial agents, commercial, COMMERCIAL, commercial agents, 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 full stop. They tried to, they tried to decide, DECIDE, they tried to decide who should be the, SHOULD, should be the successor, SUCCESSOR, successor to the throne, 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 to the throne. And who should be, and who should be appointed in the, appointed, APPOINTED, appointed in the administrative posts, administrative, ADMINISTRATIVE, administrative posts, 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 full stop. Sometimes administrative posts, full stop. Sometimes, comma, the company, sometimes the company forced, FORCED, forced the states, forced the states, 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 into a, into, INTO, into a subsidiary alliance. Okay, keep it in single inverted comma, like this, single inverted comma, subsidiary alliance, SUBSIDIARY, 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 subsidiary alliance, ALLIANCE, subsidiary alliance, full stop. The Indian rulers, after full stop, the Indian rulers were to be, were to be protected by the company, protected by the company, comma, for which, WHICH, for which the rulers had to pay them, had to pay them, full stop. Next line, that means change the paragraph. If any of the Indian rulers, if any of the Indian rulers were not able to, were not able to make this payment, were not able to make this payment, then as penalty, as penalty, 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 comma, a, a part, a part of, part of his territory, payment, and then as penalty, a part of his territory, a part of his territory was taken away, was taken away, full stop. Last line, the company then, THEN, then expanded by taking away, TAKING, taking away many of the territories. The company then expanded by taking away many of the territories. Okay, students, so answer is very much long and it's now complete. Okay, so students, once again I'm telling you that you must start to learn all the chapters properly, then questions answer everything. Okay, whatever I am giving, whatever I am discussion in this online classes, and whatever I have already given to the to your Google Classroom also. Okay, students, so thank you. Okay.